Invoice processing can be time-consuming and arduous, especially if you receive hundreds or even thousands of invoices each month, which may come from different suppliers and sources in various formats. If that sounds familiar, you need an invoice processing solution, and that's where Iris can help. By offering solutions for the import, data capture, approval workflows, sharing, and archiving of your invoices. Iris's solutions for invoice processing also export to any document management system, ERP, or accounting application like SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, Sage, and more. Iris's solutions for invoice processing are easy to install and to use, depending on your specific configuration. A mere 5 days could already be enough for you to start processing of all your suppliers' invoices automatically, from whatever country, in any volume, and whatever the complexity, whether they include line items, multiple currencies, multiple VAT rates, or attachments. And since no templates are needed, setup is kept to a minimum, so you can be ready to start working in no time. The first task of Iris's solutions for invoice processing is to make sure that the specific accounting data you need from your invoices is captured perfectly. By optimizing the receipt, encoding, and data validation of your invoices, there's no need to manually enter the financial data into your bookkeeping. Let the Iris solution take care of data capture in a snap and reduce your processing times and costs dramatically. Once validated, images of your invoices and attachments are ready for further approbation and archiving with Iris Next, or can be sent directly to your usual accounting application or ERP, like SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle Financials, Sage, Exact, EBP, Sile, or for sharing and storing into your document management system, like OpenText, FileNet, Documentum, SharePoint, Autonomy, Therefore, Iris Next, and more. Of course, you will benefit from any cloud-ready application and access your financial data anytime, anywhere. Moreover, Iris's exclusive PDF hypercompression technology can even compress these images by up to 50 times to save on storage space and share information more easily. These aren't the only benefits of invoice processing. You'll also have better visibility of invoice payments at every stage, which will help you get the most of your budget and streamline your cash flow management. With no more lengthy data input or invoice checking on their hands, your accounting staff will also be free to focus on more productive tasks, like dealing with financial requests. Also, better control over your accounting processes, more accurate figures, and faster access to your financial documentation means you'll be fully prepared in case of corporate auditing. As well as limiting the risk of errors or fraud, avoid penalties, and improve supplier relationships by making sure your invoices are always paid on time. This one-of-a-kind invoice solution suite is but the core of what Iris has to offer and can be complemented with the best document processing technologies on the market. For instance, clean up and structure your input with powerful scanning applications and unique automatic document type identification based on layout recognition alone. In output, advanced connectors will incorporate your financial data into the heart of your existing accounting system and workflows, so that your team, managers, and partners can all enjoy a smoother process. And with any cloud-ready application, Iris's solutions for invoice processing will let you enjoy invoice processing in the 21st century. It is truly mind-boggling to see how fast automated invoice processing brings any organization solid and sustainable return on investment by reducing invoice processing costs and delays. Did you know that a single invoice will cost you €9.50 and that 25% of invoices are even more expensive because they were paid late? These costs and delays can be reduced by spending less time on each invoice. In a traditional organization, the average invoice processing time is 9.4 days, half of which is dedicated to data encoding only. By automating and optimizing your processes, you will reduce invoice capture costs by up to 60% and average invoice processing times by 42%. Overall, Iris's solutions for invoice processing will cut your invoice processing costs by up to 50%. And if you want to know more about how your company can save money beyond invoice processing, Iris and its certified sales partners all over the world are happy to provide consultancy and to define the best solutions that will meet your requirements and budgets, thanks to a 25-year expertise in market-leading solutions for document recognition, forms, checks, digital mailroom, enterprise content management, business card recognition, industrial archiving, and business process outsourcing. Iris's solutions for invoice processing. Now paying invoices also means saving money.